man takes nap.
I know.
Pigeon trapped in shop again.
Oh, God.
There was one that just said seasons. They're on the way.
Mrs. Caligari. Apologies for bursting in on you like this, Mrs. Caligari, particularly on such a lovely Sunday.
Tuesday.
Morning.
After
morning, thank you, Private.
Who's been hit on the head, Mrs. Caligari?
Mrs. Caligari, my name is Detecting Chief Comfortable Inspective. And this is well, like I said, it's private, it's very hush-hush.
Well, your red pipe water seems to be...
My blood!
Oh, don't be obscene, man!
Surely you're a doctor!
Yes, I docked. Studied docking for years. Marvellous pastime, lots of graphs. You're in safe hands with me, my boy face. Sagittarius.
No, actually,
Join our reporter, Cassie, live at the scene. Cassie.
Dave.
Cassie.
Dave.
Cassie.
Thanks, Dave.
Well, I was cooking pork chops on my new barbecue, and what did he do? He kicked it!
I gave him a pig-shaped tin kazoo. What did he do?
He kicked it!
I dressed my baby in a piglet costume. What did he do?
No!
Well,
Oh my!
There he is.
Look.
well,
It's what he deserves. There he is.
Look.
look at him
A
there.
fish in his hand! Oh, look at his sweater!
There he is.
Look.
Just his hands.
Indeed.
Silly boy.
Oh, there he slipped! Look! Ha! Look at him all!
Oh, look at him hose.
We caught in his shoes.
Squid up his
How
nose.
silly it looks! It serves him right!
Cleaning up after.
His piggy banks flat.
Shade.
Shade.
There he is.
Shade. Shade.
Shade.
There he is. Look.
Top.
Shade.